Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript. Use conditional logic with if statements. If statements are used to make decision in code. The keyword if tells JavaScript to execute the code in the curly braces under certain conditions defined in parentheses. These conditions are known as Boolean conditions and they may only be true or false. When the condition evaluates to true, the program executes the statement inside the curly braces. When Boolean condition evaluates to false, the statement inside the curly braces will not execute. So, in this case, pseudocode, if condition is true, then a statement is executed. In this example, we can see there is a function named test with my condition parameter. So when we come inside the function body, we can see there is an if statement with my condition as parameter, and if it is true, then return it was true, and if this does not return any value, or which will be in case my condition was false, then return it was false. And when we pass invoke a function with true value, then it will return it was true string. And if we invoke the function with false value, it will return it was false. When test is called with a value of true, the if statement evaluates my condition to see if it is true or not. Since it is true, the function returns it was true. When we call test with the value of false, my condition is not true and the statement in the curly braces is not executed and the function returns it was false. So the task for this challenge: create an if statement inside the function to return yes, that was true if the parameter was that true is true, and return no, that was false otherwise. So we have a function with the name true or false, and here one parameter is passed was that true. So to check it, if was that true, and we will use curly braces to for block of code, return what we have to return, yes, that was true. And in the case was that true is false, then just we have to write return no, that was false. We can see if the condition was true, then the control will return with the value will be returned from here. If the was that true was false, then the condition will not be, means this block of code will not be executed, and the next line will be responsible for returning value. So let's run the test and it should be successful. It's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.